name's Marshall Roberts. I'm a welding instructor here. It's an industrial welding training program. It's a pretty broad spectrum of knowledge in terms of building a good base, you know what I mean, for beginners that are just trying to get into the field at an entry level.
I chose the program mainly because I wanted to change in life.
Never really been one for the bookwork too much, and so I looked into the welding program, just realized I kind of fell in love with it.
It's all based in getting them ready to be available and capable of entering the industrial workforce. It's something you can literally do anywhere in the world.
I can take it above and beyond to the next level and go places that I wouldn't have considered a couple years ago.
If you're looking into this program, I say definitely do it. You know, it's a great endeavor to get into. Not everybody has to go into like a 4-year degree school and like study and get a degree.
It's very lucrative. There's a lot of different things you can do in terms of facets of the industry.
I have a lot more doors open for future references, job availabilities, and I can travel and get paid to do so, so why not?
I can say with almost a 99.9% certainty that anybody that would start a career today in welding would have a career till the day they died if they wanted it to be the case.